So before the next session starts, since I saw some of your colleagues already leaving for the airport, and I think slowly, depending on the flight schedules, people will start leaving, I've just preponed the Thanksgiving session because it's important that we collectively should thank the people who put this together. First of all, I want to thank all the audiences here. Because this program is meant for the audience, and without the participation in large number, I think we've had probably 4 users meet. This is by far the largest participated user meet, and for that, first of all, my first thanks goes to all the audiences here for your presence for close to 2.5 days, which is by itself is also quite remarkable, and also with the level of attention that you paid. You were able to till yesterday Dr. Kohli dismissed all of you. That's it, now go. So people are still sitting at 6:45 in the evening, and we were starting at 9 in the morning. So this kind of involvement gives us a lot of encouragement that these are things that we need to continue to do. So you have my promise that we will focus a lot on making sure that we have them on the regular intervals. So my first learning from the program is that we need to have the right spacing for these programs. I got some feedback today morning. It might make sense to have 1 year in CT, and then next year MR, and then this third year again CT. So you have a gap of 2 years for a modality. This year, of course, we had both CT and MR, and I think it's a little bit taxing to spend almost 5 days in a gap of 3 months' time. So if all of you feel that this is the right way to do, then we would have at least one meet every year. It could cover CT in year 1, and next year it could be MR. So is that something which all of you feel is the right way to do? Yeah, okay, so we'll do that. We also discussed, I think as part of the discussions, that we will start the work towards forming expert user groups, volunteers and people who are familiar with the topic, and people also are willing to help others. So this kind of an expert user group is something which we've been discussing over the last 2 days. This, I think, is more or less concrete. We have chosen roughly 5 topics on which we will be eventually recruiting the members to be the expert panel, which will be starting with neuroimaging, then we'll have breast imaging, abdomen, musculoskeletal, and cardiovascular. Do you think any other topic we missed out, or these things will cover and will bring the knowledge level up? Dr. Kohli? These 5 is good enough to start with? Yeah. Okay. So this is something which you're going to start. You will get some more communication on this. And from Siemens side, we will act as some kind of a information broker, meaning we will facilitate a platform. The rough idea is you have these 5 expert user groups, and as common users, since many of you are busy with many routine work, you may not be able to have the time to specialize in few of them. You might have instances where you need some clarifications. So you should be in a position to interact, maybe post some images and post a query where one of the expert panel should be able to get back to you with that. Right? This is roughly the basic idea of this kind of a expert user group formation. So we expect that as a community, then all of you will slowly and steadily keep raising the bar in terms of your delivery, in terms of your diagnostic confidence. So this is a very concrete outcome of this conference, which I felt is absolutely necessary. I'm very glad that already there are people who have agreed to be part of the expert user group. We will finalize the names probably in a week's time. So we'll have this 5 expert user group, and we will think about the platform on which we'll do. Dr. Kohli has some ideas about using stuff like Facebook, or we will have some SRS connectivity related stuff. So that's another progress that we made in this meet. Then, of course, the most important thing is I think all of us should collectively put our big hand together for the steering committee who have made this program a grand success. And let me ask the people, Dr. Kohli, Dr. Bharat, Keshav Das left yesterday, Dr. Srinivas Desai is not well, so he has not come. Then Dr. K. Srinivas also left yesterday. We had a lot of interactions with them. We bothered them. I think they had at least 3 or 4 phone conferences where they all came together. The agenda was going back and forth at least for the last 8 weeks or so. And I'm very glad that they took the responsibility to finalize the agenda, and they also took the responsibility to conduct the sessions I think we missed Dr. Bakshi also. He had some engagements, he could not come. So all of them interacted very closely, and finally we had a very, I think, a comprehensive agenda which met the expectations of, I'm sure, most of you. Before I conclude, I am a fan of taking some quick feedback. So if I can ask at least 3 or 4 or 5 maximum volunteers who can tell us, each of them, 3 things that you liked about it and 3 things that we can improve next time. Because last time we took a feedback in CT and one comment was time management was really bad. So this time I think we made a lot of improvement. Time management, the bell is ringing constantly. My bell will go off any time. So we take feedbacks and we act on them. So if I can ask quickly from a couple of tables, 3 or 5 volunteers who can stand up and say 3 things that they liked about the program. If somebody has already mentioned, don't repeat it. And 3 things that you think we can do better next time when we do this. So can you quickly start? First one is always tough to start. Dr. Sharma, you want to start?